Alright, got a package. And it's a big one. I know what it is though, and you can probably tell. It says, just do it. So let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. This is a giant box. I imagine you can tell with it. Well, I guess if it's Nike, it's got the just do it on it, but it might not be shoes. It could be clothes. I'll give you a hint. It's shoes. But I'm gonna open this bad boy up. It's kind of funny. Nike has what I. It's such a big box. It almost feels like it's not very secure. This one is not. This little piece is not one to come off. We'll just do it that way. All right. So let's open this bad boy up. So it's definitely a shoe box. We'll get rid of the giant box. There we go. I got big old feet, so it's a big shoe box. Oh, actually I like these. So these are kind of a replacement. So I got a pair of Nikes that was called a Nike Fly Ease, and I like these. These are clean. And it basically is a shoe that you can supposed to get in quickly as a runner, and it has basically Velcro on it. And what was happening is the Velcro zipper was breaking. So I said, you know, I'm going to contact Nike and see if I can return them, and I'm going to get a different shoe. I'm going to get a shoe with laces. And so this is what I got. I wasn't so sure about these. I got big old feet, and I got wide feet, so I always have to get wide. And the wide selection's a little bit more limited. So I wanted to get a shoe that really kind of worked. I wasn't so sure about these because I've got black ones, but I think these are pretty clean. So tell me what you think in the comments.